Ram Narayan Ram. In our society, many individuals begin their spiritual journey at a young age. If you, too, wish to embark on a path of spiritual practice, here is how you can proceed. In today's fast-paced world, people rarely find the time for yogic practices, pranayam, or meditation. These activities are instrumental in providing a stress-free life. Nowadays, it is common to see people in households struggling with frustration, living stressful lives, and battling depression. As a result, individuals are unable to express their happiness socially. Every living being in this vast creation desires happiness, prosperity, and abundance. People put in their best efforts to achieve such a life. However, when these efforts fail, feelings of frustration and depression take root, leading them to gradually withdraw from society. They suppress their desires and joys, choosing not to reveal them. The question arises, how can one overcome such circumstances? The solution lies in spiritual practice, and the best means to achieve it is by chanting the name Ram Narayan Ram. The method to chant this sacred name is simple. No specific posture or ritual is required. You can chant while performing your daily tasks, sitting quietly, or even through participation in a satsang. Today's younger generation often lacks patience. They seek success quickly and with minimal effort. When their expectations are unmet, they fall prey to depression. It is especially vital for today's youth to connect with Ram Narayan Ram, as it instills patience and resilience in their lives. Recognizing and nurturing wisdom is crucial, as it is wisdom that leads to peace, happiness, and success. This inner wisdom, or Vivek, is cultivated through the consistent chanting of Ram Narayan Ram. As this seed mantra is repeated, it fosters the growth of internal awareness and wisdom. Parents have a responsibility to instill this practice in their children from an early age. Connecting children with Ram Narayan Ram from their formative years will ensure the timely development of wisdom, laying a strong foundation for a meaningful life. The human body hosts approximately 50 trillion souls. While we eat 2 or 3 meals daily to nourish our bodies, have we ever wondered what these countless souls inside us consume? If they are left unfed, they gradually die, depleting our internal energy and vitality. This can lead to physical and mental weakness, rendering our lives purposeless. To prevent such a state, it is essential to connect with Ram Narayan Ram from a young age, ensuring a fulfilling life for all. The beauty of chanting Ram Narayan Ram lies in its effortless integration into our lives. Initially, you must consciously remember to chant, but over time, it becomes part of your breath. Just as breathing occurs naturally, this mantra becomes intertwined with your existence. At some point, without realizing it, the mantra continuously resonates within you, bringing spiritual nourishment and peace. Every individual should actively connect with Ram Narayan Ram, ensuring a profound transformation in their lives. The mantra's vibration enriches the soul and fosters inner peace, making life meaningful and joyful.